In this video, we will show you how to quickly set up a solution and generate PDF using Docs Made Easy inside your Salesforce org. First, go to App Launcher and search for Docs Made Easy. On the screen that opens up, go ahead and click Launch Wizard. Now let's create your solution. Give it a name, something that makes sense for your team. Select Salesforce Object, then click on Create. Then click Next, and this is where you upload your template. This template is what helps pull real data from your Salesforce records. In the final step, click Go to Page Layout and choose the contact layout. Head over to Mobile and Lightning Actions. Find the solution you just created and simply drag and drop it into the Lightning Actions. Don't forget to save. Awesome! Your solution and template are ready. Now, to generate a document, open the App Launcher again, search for your object, and look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the button for your solution, click on it. This opens the Composer page. Select PDF, hit Download, and just like that, your document is generated. And that's it! You've just created a solution, added it to your layout, and generated a document with Docs Made Easy.